You are welcome to another video. This particular training video, we are going to be talking about how to edit and how to build a medical or hospital website like this you are seeing on the screen. Okay, you can see, now you can see working time, emergency cases, appointment. You can book appointment. All right, don't worry, I will show you how you can get content for this particular website. You can see various services, surgery, emergency care, cardiology. You can see therapy, cancer service, and many other services you can add. All right, so I will show you all of that. You can see for emergency cases, call this number. You can see how it's displaying. I will also show you how you can edit that. And look at this part that says what we do: online question and answer, top level doctors, medical counseling, and other stuff here. You can see free checkup, diagnosing medicine, and 24-hour services. Right, you have all of that, and you can see this one that says what we have done since. I will tell you how you can edit all this content you are seeing. All right, so you can also attach the pictures of various medical doctors. All right, you can add them here. All right, you can see all of this. So, and there are so many amazing testimonials. How you can also get your own testimonials and insert. And if you also want to be dropping content regarding blog and blog post, okay, you can as well do that here. Right, but if you don't want it, you can delete it. I will show you can do all of that. Right, you can see this is an appointment form. I can put appointments here. You can see the name, email, date, and the services you need. You can see that. So how you can edit and create a form like this, and once you submit, it goes straight to the customized email. All right, so you can do all of that on this particular website. Okay, you can see the menu, the about us, the our services, our doctors, and the rest of them. All of this content you are seeing can easily be edited. All right, so now let's go straight to what we have without wasting much time. All right, before we begin this particular training, you need to have your own cPanel, and it's very, very important. So if you don't have a cPanel, there's a number below this video, all right, showing in the description of this video. Just reach out to us and we'll assist you in getting a reliable web hosting for your project. Okay, now that I've mentioned that, and also if you are coming here for the first time, do well to subscribe and make sure you smash the notification bell so you always be notified for new videos. Okay, now let's begin. I have my cPanel. All right, so here is my cPanel. So I'll just go straight to domains. Reason why I'm using a subdomain for this video is because this is a tutorial guide. All right, if you are doing it for a project for your clients, you need to purchase domain name and hosting. All right, like I told you before, just reach out to us and we'll assist you in that. Okay, now just go to domain and create a subdomain. You can see that here. So I'll come to domains. This is it. So I'll click on domains, then go to subdomain. I'll click on create new domains here. You can see that create new domains. Okay, once you are done with that, then you go over to here. I will just let me put this word there first. Okay, good. All right, so let me use this first. Then I'll come here and change it to hospital. Let me just do that. All right, it's very important, hospital. So I'll just come there. Once I'm done, click on submit. All right, click on submit. Then once I'm done with that, I will need to change the PHP version to 7.4. Okay, because most of the WordPress templates we are using, they are built with 7.4 PHP version. It's very, very important because if you install a new WordPress and a new domain, it will come with the latest PHP version, which can be 7.4 inherited or 8.2. All right, so it's important you update that. Okay, just hold on a bit. So once this is done creating, we can change that. Okay, it has been created. You can see it here. Hospital.this has been created. So next, come over to this part and search for PHP. I'll search for multi PHP manager, which is this. Click on it. All right, once I'm done with that, good. So I need to change. Can you see what I'm telling you? It's hospital and this is the latest PHP version. So I'll just select, come over to this PHP version here. Then I'll check 7.4. Okay, then I'll click on apply. So once we are done updating the PHP version, go ahead and install the WordPress and begin the process from there. Okay, it has been updated. You can see now 7.4. Then come back to your cPanel. Right, come out to your cPanel. Then search for, just scroll down a bit, scroll down, and you see it here. This is it, WordPress. Okay, then we'll install. All right, to install. All right, come to install now. You can see it here. Then I'll select the subdomain I created, which is this. Okay, I told you before the reason why I'm using subdomain. Okay, so just come here. Okay, then just put in my information. Let me just do this. All right, good. So just come here and inside this. All right, copy this. Okay, good. So I'll just go down and click on install. All right, click on install. You can see it's loading. Just wait for it to load. Okay, it's very, very important. Then once this is done, go ahead, upload our template and start customizing. Okay, so you can see that the WordPress have been installed. So click on the link. Right, this is the WordPress dashboard. This administrative link is the WordPress dashboard, while this other side is the front end. So whatever thing we do at this WordPress dashboard will reflect at this front end. Okay, so come here now. Before we do that, there's a particular plugin you need to install. It's called Classic Editor. So install the plugin, click on add new. All right, so install the plugin. This is it. Click on install now, then click on apply. All right, click on activate. Sorry, activate. Okay, good. Now let's go back to appearance. Okay, click on appearance, then click on add new. All right, add new. Come to appearance, come to themes, click on add new. All right, then click on upload. Reason why we are uploading because the template you are seeing here will not give us what we are looking for. Okay, so we need to upload a premium template. Don't worry, at the end of this video, I'll show you can get access to this particular template. So click on this and click on choose file. All right, so this is the template. I'll just click on install now. So click on install, just wait a little. Okay, so you can see it's loading, just wait. So once it's done installing, we select the template we are using and we customize. All right, you can see it has been installed. So let's activate. Click on activate. Okay, click on activate. So once it's done activating, you can go ahead and select the template we are using. Okay, it's still loading, just wait a little. All right, it has been activated. So come to manage plugins. All right, click on manage plugin. Good. Select all the plugins, then click on bulk action, install, then activate, then apply. You can see it here, apply. Okay, good. So you can see it's installing and it's also activating at the same time. All right, so just hold on a bit. All right, as you can see, the plugins have been installed. So I'll click on return to the dashboard. You can see it here, or I'll click on this here. Okay, click on return to the dashboard. Okay, good, good. So next, you can see there. Then next, come to import demos. All right, click on import demos. Good. So just scroll down to particular template you want to use. All right, you can see it here. This is the medical. All right, you can see the medical. Then click on import demos. Click on import demo. Good. Then come over to this side and select continue and import. Okay, you can see it's loading. Continue and import. So wait for it to import all these plugins, Elementor, Contact Form, and Slider Revolution. They are very, very important. So just wait for it. As you can see, the plugin have been installed. So now the content is importing. All right. So once you install the plugin, once you click on continue and the three plugins, they are successfully installed. So it will automatically move to content importation. You can see it's importing the content. Just wait for it to import and we move from there. All right. As you can see, it says import complete. All right. If you open the site in a new tab to see what we have there, all right, you can see it's loading. Now you can see all our content is here. You can see the home, the menu set, the top bar. You can see this button, or you can see all the content are in order. You can see that. You can see how they are entering. Okay, now that we have done this, let's go straight to editing the content. Go to the dashboard. All right, come to the dashboard. First, we edit the header. Right, here is the header where you have the logo, this address, phone number, and email, and then this menu bar. Here is the header. So we are going to be editing this part. Okay. All right. So go to dashboard. All right. Come over to this part. You will see Avas and you see theme options. Okay. Click on theme options. So you can edit the header. All right. This is the header, the logo, the address, the phone number, the email. All right. So to do that, just come to this part that says Avas, then select theme options. Okay, now you can see the favicon. Favicon is this small icon you are seeing here. Every site has it. You can see Facebook, this is WhatsApp, and all other websites. So you can upload your own favicon here, right? Then you can see the background color is blue. So if you have your own color that you want to use, you can as well change it there. All right, so you have other colors. Okay, just go through it. It's very, very easy to edit. Then coming down from this part, all right, then you have the logo. If you want to change the logo, you can see the logo that is showing here. This is the logo, A Medical. Okay, if you want to upload your logo, select your upload here, then change the logo to your own. All right, upload your logo here. Now let me show you something. Let me upload the logo. Select. All right, I've uploaded the logo, so I'll just do that. To just wait a little. Okay. All right, good. This is the logo, so I'll just select. You can see that. Then save changes. All right. Then moving down, you can see mobile logo. You can also upload the same thing here. All right, select, still upload the same logo. Okay, you can see that. Upload it there. Then sticky logo, you can upload the same logo in all of these parts here. Okay, once you are done, remember to save changes. Okay, now you have the preloader. You have preloader, right? Preloader is already turned off. That's why it's disabled. You have the progress bar disabled. You have the media. Right, these are the sizes of the files. Okay, then moving away from there, you have the header. You have the main header. You have the top header. Right, this is the main header. Right, the option of this main header, the logo is at this side. You can see that. So if you want to use there are different options here. You can see different option. If I select this now, you can see this. So we are going with the first one, which is this. So just leave it like that. Save changes. Okay, which other thing again? Good. You can see address. Right, address is here. Right, address is here. Phone number is there. Then email is also there. To edit those ones, come here. You can see address. Click on it. Good. You can see you can insert your address here. I'll come here and say Lekki, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. All right. So let's say I'm using this. So I will click on, here is the phone number. All right. So just once I'm done with this, I'll minimize this. Good. Then click on this. This is the phone number. Then put your phone number here. Say +23480. All right. You can see that. Good. If you want to change that this phone icon, you can as well change it. You can upload your own if you have it there. Right there is the email address. You can change the email address to medical websites. Right, you can change to medical websites. Right, just to show you that these things are working perfectly. Right, then I'll click on save changes. Okay, save changes. What else again? Scroll down. Okay, that's all. Then go back again. You can see the top menu. Is there anything that is already disabled? Sub menu. Okay, you can the sub menu. Right here is the sub menu. You can see sub menu here. Right, if you don't want it, you can disable it. Then coming down to this side, you can see the menu part. All right, click on the menu part. You have different menu here. You have the responsive menu, you have the menu button, you can see the hamburger menu. All right, okay. All right, so you see what we're talking about here. So this is the menu. Okay, then you come to menu button. Menu button is this particular icon here. You can see that says appointment. So I can come over to this part, select menu button. Instead of this appointment, I can say book. All right, you can say book appointment. All right, then I'll also come here. You can see contact us. I'll copy the link of this copy the link of this address, click on it, then I'll come here, remove this link and paste the one we have there, then save changes. So when they click on book appointment, it takes them straight to the contact us page. Right, so that's how to edit that. Then you can see this other one that says hamburger and slash side menu. If you click on it, here is the side menu. You can see this icon here. You can see that this is the side menu. So I don't want it to be showing. I'll just come here and turn it off. All right, then save changes. Okay, all of these things we are doing, they are for the header. Right, they are for the header. If I refresh this now, this will no longer be showing. Right, no longer be showing. So next, I'll come down again. You can see post. All right, you also have the social media. You also have the footer. Footer talks about this section here. All right, good. Okay, you can see the logo. The logo is too big. All right, the logo is too big. It doesn't make sense. So I'll just go there and remove it. Right, you can see it. I'll come back to the header or global, then I'll come to logo. right? Then I will remove this logo. I'll just go with your own logo, but then I've showed you how you can edit the logo. Okay, so just come back here. Where is the logo? Okay, so just go, this is the logo. I'll use this. Okay, then I'll click on select. Okay, good. Then save changes again. Right, save changes. Then come back here and refresh. Right, I'll refresh this. Good, you can see that everything is perfect now. Now this is the book appointment I showed you earlier. Now look at all the links are working perfectly. You can see the address, the phone number, the email. Right, you can see that. Now let's go and edit the footer. Here is the footer. Right, here is the footer. Okay, before I will show you how you can edit this side. Okay, now come back to your dashboard. Right, come to footer. Right, come to footer. Here is the footer. Then you see footer top, footer bottom, and scroll up. Right, you can click on footer top. Okay, here is the footer top. This is the footer top here. This one is the footer top. But if you don't want it, you can disable it. If I disable it and I save changes, right? If I save changes and I come back here and refresh, okay, good, good. It's loading. You can see that it's no longer showing. It's no longer showing. It's a matter of choice. If you don't want it, you can disable it. But for me, I don't want it. I'll just turn it off. I'll also show you how you can edit it. All right, that shouldn't be a problem. All right, so if I come back here now, then how do you now edit this write-up that is here? Come back to this part we are in, footer, then come to footer button. All right, good. You can see the copyright here. All right, you can see the copyright, adverse WordPress. I can just come here and remove it and say hospital. Or I'll say hospital website. All right, perfect. Then I'll come here and paste the link. All right, then I can just remove this. Okay, good. So I'll just do it like that. Then save changes. All right, save changes. Perfect, perfect. You can see that everything is making sense. I will also come back here and I refresh. Anything at all you are doing, always ensure to refresh so you can see what you are doing so far. All right, if I scroll down, you will see it there. Okay, good. Can you see now WordPress? All right, you can see it's no longer showing this. So if I click on this now, it will take me straight to the website. If I open it in the new tab, it will take me to the website. So these are social media icon. I will also show you how you can change the social media. Now, still on this same place, because we have been working on this part now, we come to social media. You can see it here. Social media, if you want to enable it, you enable it. If you don't want to, you can disable it. Now you can see the Facebook. Right, copy your Facebook link and insert here. Right, your Instagram link, your LinkedIn. Right, as many social media accounts you have, you can drop the link. Just locate the particular one you want to insert the link. TikTok is here. You can see Twitter. Right, you can see WhatsApp. Okay, you can see YouTube. Right, all of them are there. Just copy the link of those various social media and insert there. That is how to edit other part. Now, moving away from there, we go straight to editing that part I removed the other time. That's the footer. Let me just, the footer top. No, I disable it. Let me enable it again. Let's save changes. All right, so I'll just show you, but then I'll still come back here and remove that part. All right, let me reload this so you can see what I'm talking about. In case you want to leave it in your own, all right, you can see it is showing. To edit this, just come to appearance, then come to widget. All right, come to appearance, come to widget. Okay, so if you come to this part, appearance widget, right, you will see there. Okay, still loading, just hold on. Good. Click on next, 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 and get started. All right, then you will see footer 1, footer 2, footer 3. All right, this is it, footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, footer 4, footer 5. All right, our concern is just up to footer 4. Open them. Once you click on it, just click on it, or click on this drop down. You will see it there. All right, click on this drop down, then also click on this drop down. Okay, you can see all of them, they are loading. Just wait. All right, you can see that the footer, this is the first footer, this is the second footer, this is the third one. Now, like I showed you earlier, which is this, you can see them here. All right, so this other one says, the fourth one here, you can see the phone number, the contact information. All right, so like I did the other time, I just wanted to show you how you can edit it. Okay, how you can edit all the content here, but for me, I don't need it, so I'll just go back to go back to the dashboard, I'll go back to Avast, okay, come to team option. If I come here now, you see team options, right? I don't want to, I'll just turn it off. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, if you come to widget under appearance, you can edit whatever thing you want to edit there. Okay, but for me, I don't need it. I'll just go down to footer. Right here is this footer. Then I'll come to top. Okay, footer top. Let me be sure. Footer top. Okay. Okay, footer top. Sorry. Then I'll just disable it. All right, I'll disable and save changes. Okay, good. Save changes. Now that I'm done that, so let's go ahead and edit the content of the website. The content of the website. All right, so do that. Go to your pages. All right, go to all pages. All right, open it in a new tab. Go to pages, all pages. All right, good. You can see about us. You can see appointment, contact us, home medical. That's the front page. All right, you can see other pages here. All right, so for us to edit them now, you have to open them in a new tab. We are going to be editing them with Elementor. So I'll open them. I'll open a new tab, edit Elementor. Okay, the home page, which is this, edit Elementor, open a new tab. Good, they are loading, right? So once this comes up now, while they are loading, let's quickly check out some things here. For us to edit this part, all right, for us to edit this first part where the image is displaying, we need to use slider revolution, all right, which is what you are seeing here. You can see it, slider revolution. All right, come down to this part and click on overview. All right, click on overview so we can edit the slider revolution. All right, good. Just click on no thanks. All right, so good. Then we'll come down here. You can see this is the image. So click on this icon. All right, good. So you can see the image. All right, you can see the image. You can see the write-up. So if you want to edit this now, all right, let me close this. If you want to edit, as you can see, once you are moving your cursor around it, it's telling you which area do you want to edit. Now here is the content. If I double click on it, it will appear here. All right, so you can see the content here. Now, like I told you when we began this video, I told you that if you want to edit such a website, you need a good content. And for you to get content, go to ChatGPT. All right, so once you come to ChatGPT and you can ask questions and say, generate, okay, say generate good tagline, or better still, you can say generate good site titles for hospital websites. All right, so you can see it's giving me, you can see that Care Connect Hospital, you can see that. So your awareness, your partner in healing awareness, you can see bringing compassion and to get excellence together. Good. So I can use this now. Let's say this is what I want. So just copy this. All right, good. I'll copy this, then come back to where I'm editing, then I'll paste it here. All right, you can see that that's the content. Okay, here is the button. You can see our services. Now, for us to get the link, come to your website, which is this part here. You can see it, our service. Right click on it and copy the link address. Then come back to your slider revolution. Here is the button. Double click on it. Okay, so once you double click on it, you can see there. Then come to actions. Just double click on it. It will appear here. Here is the content. While this panel says action, click on it. So here is the link. Okay, you can edit it. So I'll just come here and remove this and paste my link there. Okay, or better still, if you don't want to do it like that, you can delete it, then create your own simple link. Here is a simple link, then paste your link here. Okay, automatically, and save changes. Okay, so if you want to change this picture that is here too, if you want to change this picture, come to image. Right, come to image, then upload your pictures. Right, upload your pictures. The same thing you can do here. You can see this one, so you can also edit this. You can see the picture here. All right, you can see the picture. You can see this one too. You can see the write-up. You can change the write-up. You can also edit this. You can edit this. You can edit all of them. Right here is a link. You can see that. So if you want to do that, you can see action. So insert a link inside there. All right, I can come here and instead of this, click here. I can change it to what? About us. All right, I can change it to about us. Okay, then I will also copy the link of about us page. All right, copy the link of about us page. Then come here. Okay, then come to action. All right, edit this. Then I'll paste the link here. Okay, perfect. So save changes so that when they click on this about us, it will take them straight to. Okay, let me add this about us. Save changes. So it will take them to about us page. That is how to edit all this content you are seeing here. Okay, now moving away from here. All right, moving away from here, the same thing we did here, we can repeat it in other pages. You can see there are about two. Here is the second one. If you click on it, here is the second one. So you can also repeat the same process. You can see that they change the content and add your link to this button. Okay, now let's go to the pages we opened at that time, the about us and the home page. All right, here is the first one. Right, then good. So close this. Okay, then come down here. Also close this. This is the about us page. So I just close this, got this, good. Here is the about us. Can you see that? Can you see all of this? Now, if I come here and I say, let's say, remember we are using this ChatGPT the other time, it gave us a name. Let's say we are working with Evercare Hospital. Yes. Let's say we are working with Evercare Hospital. I can come here and say generate, all right, generate about us content for Evercare Hospital. All right, you can see that it will generate a lot of content for me. All right, can you see that now? Evercare Hospital. Let's say that's the name we are working with, for example. Now you can see the content about us. Welcome to Evercare Hospital, where compassion meets innovation to provide unparalleled healthcare services. Okay, good. Right, still coming up. Right, so I can copy this content here now. Sorry, let me open this. So I can copy this content. Right, I can copy this content. This is it. I can copy this. Or better say, I can copy from here to here. Copy. Oh, sorry. Shit, let me close this. Sorry. I'll copy this now. Then come to my website. Here is the content. So if I click on it, okay, good. So I'll paste the content here. Okay, can you see that? Okay, can you see that? Welcome to Evercare. Then here you can see that it has changed. Then come down to this part here. Here is the first one. You can see the first one there. Right. To also edit, I will come to ChatGPT 2. Okay, you can see the various this in there. Compassion. All right, I'll copy this. So I'll copy this. Or better still, let's do it like this. I'll copy this. Okay, the first one is compassion. So the first one is compassion. I'll just copy. The first one is compassion. So we'll just come here. Okay, or sorry, let's do it like this. So let's just copy the content in full. That's our values. I'll copy this. Then come here, paste it here. Can you see that? Copy the second one again. All right, excellence. So copy this, still come back here. The second one. So this is it. Okay, remove this, Control A. I'll paste the second one. Then the third one too. All right, then copy this. Okay, also come here, remove the third one. Okay, so I'll paste it here, Control A, Control V. If you want to still add, you can add. You can see where it says add item. Okay, that is how to change the content. Now you can see this one that says welcome to Avast Medical. I can come here, I can change this one to welcome to Evercare. All right, welcome to Evercare. All right, hospital. Welcome to Evercare Hospital. You can see that. Then remember to always publish as you are working. That is how to edit the content. So if I also come here and I say generate about us, all right, you can come here and say generate what we do content. All right, to also give me what we do content. All right, still coming up. So you can see that. Okay, you can see it's loading what we do. All right, you can see that at, so you can see that what we do at Evercare. So I can copy this down. For example, I can copy this. All right, you can copy this. Then come here. You can see it here. Then I'll just come down here and remove this, paste the content. So this is how you edit the content to your own taste. All right. So every other thing you are seeing here, you just edit it as we are doing it like that, step by step, step by step. Okay. Remember to also publish as you are working. All right. Now coming down to where you have the doctors. So to edit the pictures of the doctors, you have to go to your dashboard. You can see doctors here. All right. So click on view all. So whatever thing you do here will automatically reflect here. Here we cannot edit anything. So I will come back to the dashboard. I can see doctors. Let me open it in a new tab. Then you can also see our services. You open it in a new tab, right? So you can see our services, gynecology, cancer service, therapy. You can add to it, all right? You can add to it. You can see where it says add new services, right? So I'll come here and I'll click on edit, okay? So click on edit. You can edit all of this content I'm showing you. All right, you can see that here. You can see it. So if you need content for this, I can also ask ChatGPT to give me content on gynecology. All right, it will give me the content. Okay. Now, the last part I will quickly show us because everything here, you have to edit them. So you go to your pages and open them one after the other in a new tab and edit with Elementor. Okay. So now, remember there is a form. Remember there's a form here. Okay. If you come down here, there's a form. There's a form. Here is the form. Okay. To edit this form, right, to also edit this form, if you go to your, if you come here to, sorry, good. If you come down here, you will see the form. All right, hold on a bit. So here's the form. Here's the network. All right, so here's the form. For us to edit the form, you can see it here is a contact us form. All right, to do that, if you come to your dashboard, let me close this. If you come to your dashboard, you will see contact. Right, here's the contact us form. There's the contact form. So click on it. Okay, click on it. And the name of the form is appointment. The name of the form is appointment. So if you come here, you will see different form. Can you see appointment? You can see appointment sidebar and the rest of them. Now we have to edit this. So click on edit. Okay, click on edit. All right, good, 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 good. So come to mail. All right, come to mail. Good. So where are they sending the email to? So you put your company email. For example, here we are working with, let's say support, all right, at Evercare Hospital, right, hospital.com. Okay, from where Evercare, all right, Evercare, okay, okay. So this is it from, all right, good. So this is the mail. Let me remove this first and see what we have there. So check the syntax. All right, check the syntax. Okay, so you see the syntax is wrong. Okay, here is this. Can you see that now? Okay, okay. So we'll do it like this. All right, you can see the way this one is now. We can copy something like this just to show us what we need to do. Let me just go back. All right, let me just go back. Okay, so come here, you can paste something like this. Can you see now? Okay, so from you can set up email here too. All right, set up email. Or better still, if this form is not working for you, right? If this form is not working, let's create let's use a different form. So let's go to plugin, click on add new plugin. All right, click on add new plugin. Let's leave this part. All right, leave this part. So come to WP form. All right, there are different forms. So if that one is not working, we can use a different form. You can see the WP form, install and activate. All right, this is very easy to customize. Sometimes that contact form can be having issues. So just come to this. There are different forms. You can see another one forminator. All right, you can see fluent form. There are so many forms. Okay, so let's click on this. All right, it's installing. All right, so we'll just activate. Okay, we'll activate the plugin. All right, so you can see that. So next, we just quickly customize the form in such a way that it will just allow what we need. And look at the form we have here. You just need the name, the email, the phone number, services, and the date. Okay, we can as well do that here. All right, so you can see the form is here. So just come to where you have it here. So click on add new form. All right, you can see the name here, add new form. Okay, so they will give the name of the form. Okay, click on let's go. Then remember we are using blank. So just click on create a blank form. So just close this. Okay, still loading. Okay, good. So what I need there, look at the form we want to create. It's very simple. Name, email, phone number. So I'll come here. Here is the name. Here is the email. All right. Still loading. Okay, here is the email. Here is the phone. I'll use it as a phone number. Good. So email. Okay. All right. So what else again? I'll need the drop down. All right. Then I'll need the phone number. Okay, phone number, name, phone number, or okay, good. So I'll take this one up here. All right, so this is it. Then the last one we'll quickly put there. Okay, we'll have the name, the email, the phone number, the drop down for the services. Then what else again? Then the message. All right, the message. So come back here, you can see paragraph text. So I can come here. I'll drag this down for paragraph text. Okay, good. So this is it. So I can just come here, then rearrange this. Okay, I'll just edit, change one to phone number. Okay, so phone number. Okay, then mark required. Then here's the drop down. So come down and select. So I will list all the services, but then I will not. This is cancer. Okay, then I can come here, say diabetes. All right, you can add your services there. So just for this, I just say what else again? What other treatment? All right, you can say malaria. So you can add the ones you want. So that is how to do that. So if you want to add more, you can click on this plus sign. Then I'll come here and select services. All right, or our services. Okay, I can just say our services. Good. So you can see that it's making sense now. This last one is here. I'll change one to what? Message. All right, message. Okay, good. Also make sure you make it required. Okay, perfect. So what we'll now do here is, as I'm done, you can come down to settings. Okay, change the name to appointment. All right, appointment. Okay, good. Here is the submit button. All right, so here is submit. Okay, then you also have other things like confirmation. All right, if you want to receive email, this was what we're trying to say the other time. You can put your email here. All right, put your email here. Then change the name to book book appointment or appointment booking, any of them. You can say appointment booking. Right, good. So you can have that there. Then you put the name of your website. All right, Evercare. Okay, Evercare Hospital. All right, perfect. So remember to put your email here, your email here, and your email here. Okay, then you have the confirmation. So once they booked your book appointment, they should receive a notification. This is, you can see where it says, "Thank you. We'll get back in. We'll get. We'll be in touch with you shortly." Or better still, I can direct them to a page, to the home page once they are done filling the form. So I can take them to the home page. Right, can take them to the home page. Right. So once I'm done, I'll save changes. So this is how to create the form. Okay, now let's embed this form in our website. I'll click on embed, then I'll click on use a short code. I'll copy this, then go back to our landing page. Here's the landing page. So I can come here, right? So come back to this part here and select form. I can say WP. All right. So okay, or better still, let me just use short code. Sorry, I'll just use short code. Okay, here is this. So I'll bring it here. Okay, here's the short code, and I'll paste this one there. Okay. So once I do that, I'll remove this. Can you see the form now? So this one, I will delete this. Okay, you can see it there. So publish. As you publish, you can preview what you have done. All right. So let's wait. Good. Let's preview what you have done so you can see how it looks. So this is how the form will appear on the website. All right. So let's scroll down. This is where the form is. Can you see how the form is here? But here is not appearing. It's not showing where. All right. So you can see that it's perfect. All right. You can see the form. You can see the way the arrangement is, the email. You can see that the phone number, everything. Okay, you can see that, you can see the message. All right, but then if you also want to make sure that this form, they are all in the same, the boxes are in the same line, you can come back here. All right, I'll close this. Then I'll come back to feed. Okay, the first one here, I'll click on it. Come to advanced. Instead of medium, make it large. Here too, instead of advanced, instead of medium, make it large. Here too, instead of medium, come to advanced, instead of medium, make it large. And this other part, instead of medium, under advanced, instead of medium, make it large, then save. All right, once you save, you come back here and you refresh. You don't need to insert the code again, just refresh. All right, just refresh it. Can you see now? Can you see all the form? They are now in the same alignment. All right, you can see they are in the same alignment. Very, very easy. So once they fill this form, it goes straight to the email you insert here under the setting. All right, any email you put under this notification, it goes straight to this email. That is how to fix the form. That's how to fix the form. Now, once you are done with that, there's this other part you need to check, which is the blog. Can you see all the content here? Okay, so if you want to be dropping content on your website, whereby they can come there, read about things that have to do with their health, different health challenges, how you can resolve health challenges and the rest. Okay, come down to post. All right, under your dashboard, you can close this. Okay, good. Come to post. You can see post here. Come to all posts. All right, come to all posts. This is for blogging. If you want to be dropping content on your website, all right, you can come to post. You can see that. So I can delete all this. All right, I can delete all this and move to trash. All right, then click on apply. Then remember, I'll be using ChatGPT. I can come to ChatGPT and say, all right, come to ChatGPT and say generate. Okay, I can come here and say generate. Okay, I can come here and say generate blog topics on on health. All right, on health and wellness. Let me use that on health and wellness. Good. So generate blog topics on health and wellness. Okay, you can see that. Good. Let me. All right. So this, if I want to edit this content now, remember I want to remove this blog post. You can see this part that has all this blog. All right. So I want to remove this. I'll go to my dashboard. All right. You can see it here, dashboard. Then click on all posts. Then select all and move to trash. Okay. Now, if you want to now add a new blog post, okay, I'm using ChatGPT to generate my content. So now I asked ChatGPT to give me content on blog topics on health and wellness. It gave me this. Now this is the content. All right. Where is it? Okay, this is the post. I can copy this. All right. Let me just use this. Write a blog post on this. Okay, you can see that it's generating content for me. All right, good, good. So the topic is this. All right. All right, the topic is 10 simple habits to boost your overall well-being. I'll copy this. Okay, then come back to my blog. All right, click on add new post. All right, add new post. Okay, good. So I'll drop it here. All right, still go back to your ChatGPT. All right, here's the full content. I'll copy the full content. All right, here's the full content. So I'll copy this. Okay, then I'll copy this. Then come here and paste it. Okay, this is how to create a blog post. Then I can now add an image here, a featured image. All right, add a featured image. The featured image is the picture that will be showing on the website. So I can use this, set as featured image. Then the category is what? Uncategorized. You can see that. Then or better still, you can leave it as health. Then you click on publish. So this is how to create a post on your website. It should be under post. All right. So I think I've showed you everything you need to edit on this particular website. All right. Everything you need to edit on this website. And this is how you can create as many blog posts as possible. Okay. Now, if you check our website now, let's remember this was what we have there before. We had all of this in there. So now let's refresh this. All right. Once we refresh, you will see what we now have. Okay. Perfect. So you can see the post I just made. You can see now date, January 10, categorize. You can see that. Okay. Then you can see the form we created. You can see this. So once they book under the services, you receive the information. Then now the more posts you drop, the more content you have here. All right. You can see all of this. It's very, very easy to generate. If you also come to ChatGPT and say generate testimonials, all right. If I come here now and say generate testimonials under this website, I can say generate testimonials. All right, testimonials. It will also give me testimonials, generate testimonials. You can see the, oh, sorry. Okay, let me just give her this content before we, okay, remember I stopped it at that time. So now you can see it's giving me testimonials now. You can see the testimonials. You can see the testimonials. So I can decide to use this on my website instead of having it here. I can edit it here and have my content there. You can see that to edit, I'll show you that. So just anywhere you want to edit, just click on it. You can easily edit the website. Okay, you can easily edit the website. And remember to also save changes. Okay, as for the daughters, I showed you how to edit the daughters. So you can see it here. Daughters is here. So if you want to edit any of them you want to edit, click on edit. All right, click on edit. Okay, good. So you can see the daughter's name. You can see the information about the daughter. All right, you can see the education. All right, even the social media handle of the daughter, you can as well see it here. Okay, all of the information about the daughter, you can have it there. If you want to add new, you can click on add new, put the daughter name, information about the daughter, then you can see the qualification of the daughter or the profile, then and the social media handle of the doctor. So this is how to edit and create a good functional hospital website. Okay, hospital website. Remember to customize it to meet your client's need. And if they don't have the content, ChatGPT is there to give you the content you need. And if you need quality pictures, right? Quality pictures, go to freepik.com. All right, go to freepik.com, or better still, ask them to give you quality pictures. They will give you the content you need for the project. Okay. Now that I've showed you how to design and edit a full-fledged hospital website for your client or for your project, all right, if you need access to this template that we have used, there's a number below this video. All right, kindly reach out to the number and it will tell you all the information you need to get this particular website, or better still, click on the link below the description of this video and have access to this template. Thank you. And if you have any challenge, drop in the comments section and we'll be glad to help you fix it. Thank you and see you in our next video.